imaginations run wild with the Kids Lane Voice Changer, featuring 5 different exciting voices. Choose from a spooky voice, a mysterious ghost, a ferocious monster, an out-of-this-world alien, or a futuristic robot. They can even amplify their voice to make announcements or perform with their friends. With these many possibilities, they'll have an action-packed adventure without even leaving the backyard. The only limit is their imagination. New Kids Lane Voice Changer with colorful flashing LED lights.
Today I'm going to be going over the Asuku Creative Magnet Pen. It has a lot of features, so let's take a closer look so I can go over a couple of them and see what this pen's got going for it. Upon opening the box, you can see there is a design guide and some instructions. This is the magnetic portion. This is made of several magnetic tubes that are modular and you can move them around. The magnet is actually fairly strong. It comes with several metal balls that you can use for making designs. It also comes with a nib that you can use for touchscreens or as a stylus for drawing. You take the ink cartridge, insert it in, and then you take the pen point, drop it on top, and it just sticks in place, and then you can write. When you're feeling creative, you can just throw something together, like this. Just made myself a little 4-legged creature, maybe add a little tail and a head, and there you are. After a little bit of time getting used to the magnets, I must say I enjoy the Asuku Creative Magnet Pen, and I think you will too.
SpyX! Gear up for action in a new SpyX mission. Let's go! Talk to your fellow agents in secret using the SpyX walkie-talkies. Clear! With the LED night mission goggles, you can see in the dark up to 8 meters. Got it! Place the micro gear motion sensor to detect movement and sound the alarm. Mission accomplished? No way! Maybe next time. SpyX walkie-talkies, SpyX night mission goggles, SpyX micro gear set, each sold separately.